Monitor lizards. This martial eagle is the largest eagle in Africa. It catching one of Africa's largest lizards and rips its eyes apart as it tries to escape. According to Filmer, it took about 5 hours for the lizard to finally give up, and so the eagle finally succeeded with the catch and enjoy its tasty meal for dinner. Did you know eagle beacon claws are dangerous weapons? Once the claws closed, it is impossible to break out. In this video, you can see another martial eagle killed 4-foot Africa's largest lizards. The first part of the lizard it consumed was the eggs, its excellent meal for the eagle. This monitor lizard was able to carry the eagle right across the road. The martial eagle waited until the lizard had no energy left for fight, then pinned it down for the Last Supper. Number 1. Eagle hunting snake. The brown snake eagle is one of the largest species of birds in their family. As their name suggests, their plumage is completely brown, and they primarily feed on snakes. They are not immune to the venom of any venomous snake, but these predatory birds are very proficient in killing and catching their prey. This white-bellied sea eagle feeds mainly off aquatic animals such as fish, turtles, and sea snakes. As you can see in this clip, the snake attempt to fight back. Even in mirror, he can still bite. But biting an enemy in midair is not easy. And finally, the eagle brings the snake back to the nest to feed its family. This crested serpent eagle is a medium-sized bird of prey that is found in forested habitats across tropical Asia. This bird usually hunts from a high perch at the edges of clearings in forests and on wet grassland areas. Eagles are one of the many predators of snakes in the wild, despite not being immune to snake venom. They would attack snakes from above, catch the snake, and crush them with their talons. As you can see in this clip, this eagle dismembers a snake with its sharply pointed and strong beak. Can eat it. Number 2. Swans. This shocking video shows a massive white-tailed eagle eating a baby swan, but this baby swan is too little for their dinner. The white-tailed eagles are carnivores. Their diet consists only of meat. They eat about 500 to 600 grams of food per day. The white-tailed eagle is an apex predator with no natural predators of its own. The only threats it faces are from humans. Next, this white-tailed eagle goes for the kill on the fly and battles it out with a goose in the water. The eagle's sudden and rapid attack makes the hunt almost always successful. The goose tries to escape, but it's just not happening. A goose doesn't have any chance of surviving. Once the claws closed, it is impossible to break out. The goose is then floated to the nearest bank, where it can be eaten. However, the goose appears to be alive when it is being preyed upon, which is cruel and disturbing to us. But that's just the way nature rules. Number 3. Rabbit. Hawks prey on small mammals, including rabbits. Any mammal they do catch will be eaten. Hawks don't kill for fun, but for their own survival. This hawk spots the quarry of jackrabbit, but speedy jackrabbit won't be easy to catch. They run as fast as 40 miles an hour and leap 10 feet. But not at this time. The Harris hawk do not hunting alone. It prefers to hunt in a group, and it can be deadly even for a speedy jackrabbit, and at the end, it ended up being a nice meal for this Harris hawk family. In this clip, we can see this hawk catches the rabbit and pinned it to the ground. There is no chance for the rabbit to escape, and the hawks slowly begin to dismember it. But what a surprise! The rabbit appears to be alive when it's being preyed upon. I guess this hawk wait until the rabbit have no energy left for fight. Then eat it for lunch. Number 4. Eagle hunting birds. The African fish eagle is a large species of eagle found throughout sub-Saharan Africa near wide open waters. They are carnivores and feed mainly on fish. However, they also prey on birds. As you can see in this clip, this African fish eagle has superiority and launches an attack in midair with precision. And it ended up being a nice meal. The hawks are one of the primary predators and natural enemies of pigeons. Also been known to chow down on pigeons, but it's not a staple of the animal's diet. This shocking clip shows a hawk attacks a pigeon, and the hawk begins to pull feathers out of the pigeon before eventually getting to the meaty parts. As you can see in this clip, this iguana is powerful and keeps trying to escape into the water, but it's too late. The hawk clamps its talons on it and injures the iguana. It doesn't take much time once the hawk feels the iguana is either weak enough or just plain dead. It takes off with it. Number 5. Eagle hunting mountain goat. Since mountain goats live in the highlands, they can easily spotted by eagles. As you can see in this video, eagles are incredibly powerful. A 150-pound goat was lifted into the air and dropped it down a rocky cliff. This eagle hopes that the power of gravity will kill its prey. And this is not the first time this kind of behavior has been documented on film. This golden eagle has incredible grip and an amazing hunting technique for subduing the chamois. The eagle started by grabbing the goat with its sharp talons and attempt to drag it down the mountain cliff. The goat runs down the mountain and tries desperately to rid of the attacking eagle. But it's not easy. As it runs down, they both crash into huge rock, but the eagle's still hanging on. However, the goat drags the eagle on the ground, and even for this tenacious eagle, it's too much, I guess. It's wing or damage along the way, and finally, the goat escapes. Number 6. Monkeys. This crowned eagle just killed a Mongol monkey. As we can see in this clip, the eagle attempting to take off with its prey, but it's too heavy. The eagle became restless and flew into a nearby tree, leaving its prey on the side of the road. This harpy eagle is one most powerful raptor with its incredible razor-sharp vision. Its eyes can spot prey from over 2 miles away. The harpy did not want to wait any longer and immediately caught the monkey in the tree branch. Finally, this harpy eagle brings its kill back to the nest to feed its family. Monkey is excellent meal for this bird. Of prey, nature isn't always sweet, and it is part of nature food chain. Number 7. Eagle hunting fox. This golden eagle spotted a fox in the plain. The fox sensed the danger, started to run as fast as it could, and you can see how the eagle tries to grab a running fox. The accurate blows of the eagle, huge talon, leaving the fox no chance to escape. Check out how powerful this eagle is as it holds down a fox. It is not small prey. It's a fox, so it's so impressive, this is unbelievable clip. This eagle take off with a 30-pound fox clamped in its talons. Sometimes nature is cruel, even terrifying